Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the OBS virtual camera in TikTok Live Studio. First, open your browser and search for TikTok Live Studio, then open the official website. After a few seconds, the page will load and you will see the download button. So click it, then download and install TikTok Live Studio. I already have it installed, so I am going to open it now. When you open it for the first time, you will need to log in with your TikTok account. My account doesn't have live access yet, so I will click on Explorer Live Studio. After that, you will see the main interface. Here you can switch between landscape and portrait mode. To add the virtual camera, click the plus button and choose to add the camera source. Then a new window will open and from the camera list, select OBS Virtual Camera. To use the OBS Virtual Camera in TikTok Live Studio, you need to go live 3 times using TikTok Live Studio first. Also, each stream must be longer than 25 minutes. Without completing this requirement, the OBS Virtual Camera option won't work. Once you have completed the requirement, you can select OBS Virtual Camera and add filters or any effects you want. Then just click Add Source and it will appear in TikTok Live Studio. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and thanks for watching.